So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can instantly find free textbook and manuals online just by a Google search trick. Now, in order to do it, just simply open any of the browser you have, and here you have to search for file type with a colon, write a PDF or any file format that you want with a space, and in the semicolon write anything that you want to search. For example, let's just go for AIB report for an example. When I search it, I'm going to find direct PDF to that to any AIB report, and you can search by any file name that you want, and you can do the same steps on the smartphones as well, since it's a browser process. Now you can see, if you click over there, you're going to see you can get the direct PDF of particular thing. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.